My name is Davide Mattia. I'm a professor of chemical engineering at the University of Bath, and my research focuses on making chemical processes more environmentally friendly and energy efficient. Culture, meat and cellular agriculture are novel technologies with the potential to be much more efficient in terms of the amount of resources they use and the energies they require than conventional agriculture. In this strand of the work, we're focusing on what happens to the cells and proteins after they've been produced. They have to be separated from the culture media, purified and sorted for further use. All of this must occur in a way that doesn't damage these valuable products, and also that could be scaled up to the millions of tons that would be needed to make this technology a success. We're also focusing on what to do with what is left behind after the proteins and the cells have been separated. The spent media is rich in valuable substances that can be safely reused, reducing the amount of fresh material that is needed to produce the culture meat. And finally, we're looking at how to safely dispose of what cannot be recycled and reused to reduce the environmental impact of the process, particularly water use. We are investigating a mix of novel and existing technologies to support this nascent industry, working with a range of industrial and academic partners. If you're interested to know more about what we're doing, please get in touch with us.